Today I'm going to show you how to make a leftover pizza omelet that'll feed two. So first get your pizza out, put it on a cutting board and get yourself a cutting knife. And start cutting up the pizza into 1-inch size pieces, including the crust. Then turn your stove on between medium and low. Now just take all the bits of pizza and put it in the pan, crust side down. Grab your eggs from the fridge. Now crack and put 4 eggs in a bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste, and add your favorite spice. I like this maple bacon spice. And now beat the eggs, and as you can see, do not add milk. Now gently pour the egg mix over top of the pizza. Now place a lid on top. If you don't have a lid, that's okay. At this point, leave the lid on for about 4 minutes. At the 4-minute mark, take the lid off and give it a shake and see if there's any spots that are uncooked. If there is, just put the lid back on and check it about every minute after that. Once it's cooked, it's ready to be halved and served. And of course, life is not right without ketchup and Frank's.
Oh, that is fabulous.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.